Welcome into the world of success. Let us meet Mr. Srikanth Mamidipallivar. Mr. Srikanth, could you please give your brief introduction for our audience?
Hi, good morning all. My name is Srikanth Mamidipallivar. You can call me Srikanth. How are you all today? Thank you very much for giving me this unique opportunity. So let me introduce myself. When it comes to my qualification, I have completed BTech in mechanical stream from Nasik University. When it comes to my profession, I have been working senior consultant with IBM since 2011. When it comes to my skill set, I am good at English. I am good at communicating with people. I am good at SAP implementation. When it comes to my family hobbies, I love to read books. I love playing cricket. I love playing chess. When it's come to my family background, I am married. My wife's name is Shweta. She is working as a software engineer. We are blessed with a daughter. Her name is Aditi. She is studying in 8th class. When it's come to uh, goal in my life, I firmly made up my mind to be a director in reputed MNC company by 2025.
Wow, that's
My dear
great.
friends, with this, I have completed my introduction. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. Thank you very much.
Great, sir. That's really mind-blowing and highly inspiring. In fact, there are so many insights we can get from your journey of life. So let us explore one by one with your permission. So
Sure,
a
sir.
while ago, you said that you are working as a senior consultant for IBM. So before we go any further, let me ask you this question. I have been thinking about this. Now I got the opportunity. What does this IBM stand for? What is the full form of IBM?
Sir, IBM stands for International Business Machine.
That's really great. So where is this organization's headquarter located? IBM's?
The IBM headquarters located in New York,
Great,
USA.
great, sir. Excellent. So you have been associated with IBM since how long?
I have been associated with IBM since for 13 years.
Oh, for the past 13 years. Very good. So you are working as a software engineer, I believe. Can you throw some light on your education qualification? What did you do in fact?
Sir, I completed my BTech in mechanical engineering. Then I worked in paper industry.
Mhm.
There I implemented SAP. I was a core user there. So after implementation, I thought as a mechanical engineer, I thought I should work in mechanical field. So I implemented so many mechanical projects. I have been working implementing the paper in the paper machines, boilers, fluidized boilers, then recovery plant, then bleach plant. The 8 years I completed MDP, mill development plant, and then I thought of moving to the software because all my friends that time where we were implemented SAP and they moved to the SAP field and I continued in mechanical field. So
Mhm.
after 8 years, I have been I had work in mechanical field, but the growth ratio, what my friends had been means they got, my friends got that much growth rate I didn't see in mechanical field. Then I decided to move in SAP field. Then I started learning SAP.
Great.
And then 2008, I moved to SAP. I joined in SAP in Mumbai. So then onwards, I have been working in SAP field, software field.
Very good. Very inspiring journey, sir. In fact. So in the mainstream subject, when during your engineering, you did not have this SAP. Later, you equipped yourself with
Compliance.
SAP,
Yes,
and then you changed the industry. Very good.
correct.
So is this your first company in the software? IBM, is it your first company?
This is my fourth company, sir, in software.
Okay. Which are all the other organizations you worked for?
I worked, my first software company is Coconut Software in Mumbai. Then I joined Lanco Software in Hyderabad. Then I joined Accenture. Then I joined IBM.
Great, it's a very, very inspiring journey yours.
Yes.
Well, coming to this, how to say, your family name, it indicates obviously that you are a Telugu person, Mamidipallivar. But you had your academics and your childhood and all in Maharashtra. So can you give us some information, some insights into this?
Yes, sir. It's a good question, sir. My my surname indicates I am from Telugu. So what happened? My ancestor migrated from Andhra Pradesh to Maharashtra, and the Mamidipalli Varu it's become a Var.
Okay. Very
So
good.
that's way it's become Mamidipalli Var.
Okay. So you were born and brought up in Maharashtra only.
I born and brought up in Maharashtra.
Very good. So now equally you are good at Marathi as well as Telugu also, I believe.
Yes,
Okay.
I can speak fluently Telugu. I
Very
can manage Telugu.
good. Great, great, sir. Excellent. Now coming to your other languages, that I know that you are good at Gujarati, you are good at Hindi, and of course you are good at English also. Now coming to English, in fact, in what amount of importance being good at English plays an important role in any industry as such. So because you worked with the mechanical background and then later you equipped yourself with SAP, now you worked for a couple of companies. Now finally you are working for IBM. In this whole journey, how can you describe the role of or else the importance of English?
Sir, importance of English language is because this, I feel the English language become a nowadays international language to express your views, what you have ideas, to express effectively and convince to the client. So to get the business, you need to have fluency in English. That is the first thing. And second thing, your career growth. It is very, very important. You should speak English very well, very fluently, very effectively. Then only people will think about you. Yes, you can manage the client, you can bring the business to the company, you will enhance the activity. So this is very, very crucial and the importance nowadays to you must have fluency in English.
Very good. Very
Not
good.
only your career growth as well as to your overall personality development, your overall means what we can say that it's must. Nowadays, English should be and must be. You should have fluency in English.
Very good, sir. Very good. Nice thoughts. So related to your English journey, so in fact, when did you decide to sharpen it? Because you are, I can make it out that you are already good at English. You can read English, you can write English. If someone speaks, you are able to understand. To a great extent, you are able to put your thoughts in English. What made you take a decision to join this course seriously? At what point of time you took this decision?
Yes, sir. It's a very good question. So I decided to sharpen my English when means at up to the means associate level, junior level, it was okay. But when we started interacting with the client, so there I feel that yes, we need to sharpen and our English, my English should be effective. Then only I can be ahead of my peers, one thing. And second thing, I will bring the more business to my company and as well as for for my personal growth, the
Very
English
good.
is must. Then I decided to sharpen my English and then I got the good mentor. I got this. I came to know the paperless English fluency, and I decided to join
Wow.
without any second thought.
Excellent, excellent. So now coming to this paperless fluency journey. So first time, because this wording itself is a bit peculiar, paperless fluency, because whoever we meet, naturally English training means they make us write, they make us read, they make us by heart the grammatical formula, and some people even encourage to translate. So, but this particular process is unique in all the ways. So for the first time when you come across this title, paperless fluency, what was your instant thought in your mind?
No, I was also shocked, surprised, because I have been seeing so many advertise, so many institute. No one taught us that if there will be any paperless fluency also. So as mesmerized, then I attended your free seminar. There I got to know, and the one part I really mesmerized with that the Macaulay has given us the wrong thought, wrong learning. So whereas the English
Implemented, that's what he
implemented,
introduced
yeah,
English education system in a wrong way.
wrong way.
So this paperless fluency, you attended our free webinar, and this Macaulay's concept made you very much inspired, right? That's really great, sir.
Yes, yes.
Oh, fantastic. So now coming to our paperless fluency group, you opted to take up this 7 o'clock, 7 to 8:30 batch. So you see, obviously here, the people are from different walks of industries. People are from different parts of the country with different mother tongues and with different professions. So how do you feel about this whole atmosphere over here?
Sir, I feel I have been associated with the India national integrity. So
Mini
my
India, it
friends
is.
were from Chennai, from Mumbai. He's from Telugu, but he stayed in Mumbai. I am from Maharashtra. I am stayed in Telangana. So it's small
Yeah,
national integrity. I
very
am
good.
with associated small national integrity.
Great, great. And I have been motivating all of you to take up this course by using the word paperless fluency. Now, is it really paperless fluency? Do you fully agree? Or is there any component of writing and all?
No, no, sir. I fully agree. This is a paperless fluency.
Perfect, perfect. So, and in our module, as part of our module, we involved so many steps, like we call it as milestones, we call it as landmarks and zenith. So many interesting things are there. So many activities also we have created. So among all these activities, which one you very much liked in our entire journey?
So landmark one,
Hmm.
then
Perfect.
additional questionnaires
Hmm.
is very much because once you get that mastery, you got command, then only you will properly you can deliver automatically means without thinking you can speak English.
Very good, very good. So thank you very much, Mr. Srikanth. And
Thank you
one
very much
last
for
question
having
from
me,
our
sir.
side. If there is any person who is in confusion, a well-educated person is in a very good position, and who is able to read English, who is able to write English, who is able to understand English, and if someone motivates him, he is able to manage in his office affairs. However, fluency has been his challenge. He is in confusion. Oh, at this age, in this position, can I join this paperless fluency? This is the kind of confusion most of the professionals will have. If any such professional, if he is in a dilemma, what would be your advice as far as our paperless fluency course is concerned? Should he join? What is your advice?
So my advice will be always don't hesitate, you join first, because see what happened so many years, we are just inhibit, we don't want to put ourselves front, and we don't ask much questions. While in childhood we used to ask the questions, but after the certain age we feel shy. What will happen, what will others think? Don't think for others, you think for yourself and join. There is no age matters, the age is just a number. You
Very,
join, dig it, and learn.
very good. Very good. So great, great. All of us, let us give him a very big round of applause for Mr. Srikanth.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you, sir. So, my dear friends, really, I got a feeling that as if really one real serious TV interview is going on, and you are very natural, Mr. Srikanth. The good news is that you are very natural, and these are all spontaneous questions. In fact, it is not a pre-planned one. I never gave you this indication. I even told that Hall of Fame is been selected for Saravanan is selected for Hall of Fame, And so you were kept in confusion whether will I get opportunity or not. But suddenly, I know, despite that, you raised it to the occasion. It was as if a real TV interview was going on. How do you feel, by the way, Srikanth, with this interview?
Nice, sir. I never thought these questions you will ask and then I will reply. I
Yeah,
replied spontaneously. I didn't think of also.
perfect. Correct.